The most important thing to keep in mind when you are picking up and knitting along the edge of your fabric is that you want to make sure that you are always picking up and knitting within the same column of stitches on the edge of your work. It is difficult to pick up right on the edge, so we are going to be picking up maybe 1.5 columns in. But again, you want to make sure that it is always the same so that you get a nice clean edge along the side of the column of knit stitches. So in this particular example, we happen to have 1 column of garter stitches, which means knit, purl, which makes it really easy to see in comparison that edge of knit stitches. What I'm going to be doing is sticking my needle into the hole right after that column of knit stitches. So here is a hole, here is another hole, here's another hole. If you're having trouble seeing, you can use your fingers to pull the knitted fabric apart a little bit. So here's a hole, then right after it, there's another hole, and so on. Now, the rate at which you pick up will vary by project. In this case, we're going to be picking up 2 stitches for every 3 rows, which is a pretty common ratio. So I'm going to stick my needle into this hole, and I'm going to pull the yarn through to knit it. Then I'm going to stick my needle into the next hole right here. Pull the yarn through and knit it. Now, because we're picking up 2 stitches to every 3 rows, I'm going to skip the next one, which would be right here. And I'm going to stick my needle instead into this hole. And then the next hole. So that's 2. We're going to skip the 3rd and go here. And that's it.